Hello and welcome to the European Pen Briefing for May the 9th. So the trade conflict continues to dominate price action in global markets. Risk sentiment is getting crushed today, with US stocks expected to open much lower according to futures, and the safe haven Japanese yen outperforming all of its major counterparts in the FX market, as investors are limiting their risk exposure ahead of the US tariff decision tonight. So the Chinese delegation, led by the nation's vice premier, has arrived in Washington for 2 days of talks. However, the US deadline for raising the tariffs is scheduled for tonight, which means that if China doesn't offer big concessions in the talks today, the US will impose more tariffs before the European markets open tomorrow. In other words, the moment of truth is drawing near. Now, as for what is more likely to happen, it's a close call, but the risks seem tilted towards tariffs being raised tonight. China might make some compromises, but those are unlikely to be enough to satisfy the American negotiators, especially because Beijing doesn't want to lose face by completely caving under US pressure. If that call proves correct and tariffs are indeed raised, then the market reactions that will follow will probably be what we've seen so far this week. Stocks could plunge alongside commodity currencies like the Aussie, while safe haven assets like the Japanese yen could gain significantly as uncertainty skyrockets and investors brace for China's retaliation. On the other hand, if the two sides manage to avoid raising tariffs, the opposite reactions will probably ensue. Make no mistake, one way or another, markets are in for a ride tonight. Finally, we will also hear from the chairman of the Fed today. So that's it from me. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.